Tessa.
I'm Savannah.
And this is our YouTube channel. So today we are going to give you guys a haul from what Savannah got from Walmart to fill up her mini fridge, and then we'll be organizing it and filling it up. So yeah. Okay.
Let me show you what I got from Walmart. First and foremost, I don't know if you can see this between me though. I love you, Mama. I still have money saved. Anyways, but this was also influenced by Tessa, so don't kill me fully. Yahoo chocolate milk. That's one thing.
Next thing is Minute Maid apple juice.
It's an apple juice. Then obviously I had to get more juice, which is now I see this birthday.
Oh.
But Kool-Aid.
Then we got some mini Dr. Peppers.
And then I got like a little piece of mini waters.
Yeah, it's over there. We'll get it later. Y'all will see. Okay. And then for the freezer, we have pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets. I'm sorry.
We have bean cheese
Beef taquitos. And another pizza Hot Pocket thing. So that's all we have. And now we'll get to show you guys the fridge and fill it all up. That was the end of our video organizing the fridge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next time.